Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are installing the rear motor mount for my friend Vong's CTR. We have the Hasport rear motor mount. He has the 62A rear motor mount, and I believe they have two grades of them. They have the 62A and the 70A. All right, so here it is, and I'll be comparing this with the OEM. Car's jacked up. We're gonna go under here. So when I did my rear engine motor mount, I was doing my exhaust at the same time. Honestly, that's the best time to actually do it. So if you're thinking about changing your exhaust and you want to do the rear motor mount, do it at the same time. When I did it, this piece right here, this black plastic piece, this big piece right here, I removed it, but we're gonna see if we can just remove this this aluminum tray and do it from there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces of this.
This is lit.
And then we got 2 Phillips screw heads, one here, one here. There you go. That looks like. What you want to do is grab it and slide it backwards. There you go. Wow. You can take a look down here. This is the rear motor mount. So what we're gonna do is probably remove back here first and then tackle this. So it looks like we gotta remove this so we have more clearance to get to the bolt back there. So we remove this and let's see if that'll do the work.
This is lit.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and just removed the back clips over here to give me more room. And this is back here, you don't have to remove the whole thing. Clips and bolts back here. Give me more room to remove this bolt because it's actually pretty long. So this is a size 17 bolt for the rear. For the front bolt, it's a 19. So yeah, if you still have the OEM front pipe, it'll be much easier to remove the front bolt. If you have a bigger diameter front pipe, it'll be a little bit tricky to come out. You're gonna have to angle it differently. So what I did is I loosened it up, pulled it out as much as I can, and then grabbed a wrench, put it in here, and kind of like angle it downwards, and then it released. So kind of like this was still sticking out. Put the wrench under here, pull it down. And this will angle downwards like this, and then you can just pull it out. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rear motor mount now. Okay, there you go. All I did was like angle it down, slide it forward, and it came off. So yeah, this is it guys. All right, so this is the OEM rear motor mount compared to the Hasport rear motor mount. Big difference, huh? So this is right here. Big difference. It's a lot smaller. That's a lot smaller too. Bring it to the side. There you go. Alright, so there wasn't really instructions that came with the box. So installing this, how I did my rear motor mount, I had the words facing right up like that. You want to slide this backwards and kind of like as if kind of like removing it in reverse. Slide that in, pop that in, and what I would do is what I did with mine, I'll put the rear bolt first, not tighten it all the way, and then put the front bolt in. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so I forgot to mention about the rear motor mount torque spec. So I looked up on Hasport, and the 90mm is set for 65 pounds of torque, and the 17mm will be 55. So sorry for the sorry the video wasn't really as detailed for the installation. It was kind of easy to put the rear motor mount in. I ended up using a rubber mallet. Lining it was kind of challenging, and I have to mess with it to kind of straighten it out so the holes will line up so you can slip in the bolts. I also ended up removing the 3 bolts that attaches the front pipe to the down pipe to have a little bit more wiggle room for the bolt to go back in, because taking out the front bolt was kind of easy. Putting it back, it's not that easy. Okay, so after that, put everything back together in reverse, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. Alright guys, so back to the video.
Oh my god!
You feel it?
Power delivery! It's so much more power!
Yeah.
I can feel the difference. It just like push faster.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Nice. You ready to film mine?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's amazing shit. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Even just for normal driving.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me go put in bar mode.
Oh okay.
Okay, good.
Wow. I feel the difference.
Yeah.
Even just normal driving.
Let's go take out the. Oh, we can go highway. You don't want
Yeah.
to. Okay, I'll do the fast driving on the highway.
Okay, yeah.
Here, punch it here.
Whoa, that's fast. I can feel the difference.
I'm gonna record your reaction, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You hold this.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the highway.
Wow, I can feel the power.
Alright guys, so that's it for the video. So when I was recording Vong's reaction, I guess the battery died at that time, and so I didn't get his full reaction when I took him out to the highway. So I'm planning to do a reaction video of someone riding my car. I was thinking about maybe asking my wife to sit in it, or my mother-in-law. She hates the car, so I think that'll be pretty funny to watch. So I'm willing to fill you guys in about the next install. Guys, I'm going to be installing my first aero piece onto the car. So this year my goal is to hit the track a lot. I want to see if it'll make a difference in the track or not. I'm going to have Jimmy install the part for me, and he'll be giving you guys an explanation about how the piece works and so on and so forth. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.